Oh, no.
Okay. This is the thylakoid membrane. This is the inside of the thylakoid. This is the outside of the thylakoid. The outside is known as the stroma. This is the inside. These are the lipids. Light first comes into photosystem 2, blue light. It has chlorophyll pigment A. It traps the blue light, and also it takes in water and splits water. These are the hydrogen that come from the water. The oxygen get broken here until another oxygen comes in, and then it gets released. While the water gets broken up from the blue light's heat, the electrons get trapped in here and then sent down the electron transport chain. So here's our electrons. From here, the hydrogen ions want to bind, but they can't because it's impermeable. So the electrons finally get sent to the photosystem 1, where it has chlorophyll B pigment that absorbs red light. The red light re-excites these electrons, making them more negative. These hydrogen ions really want to bind, but they can't. So you end up finding the only way to get out is through ATP synthase. So you come through ATP synthase, and this energizes ATP synthase to make ATP. This process will continue to go until 12 ATP are made. Once 12 ATP are made, they want to start the next section. But first, we have to deal with these hydrogen that are in here. The hydrogen that are in here are causing the stroma to become positive, and we don't want that. So there is a molecule that traps the hydrogen known as NADPH. So it ends up trapping these molecules so we have enough energy to start the next section. So once we have 12 NADPH and we have 12 ATP, we can start the light-independent reaction.
Don't play with fire, kids.
The light-independent reaction starts in the stroma. We need 6 ruby Ps. We need Rubisco to bind them. And we also need 6 carbon dioxides. The yellow stands for carbon, the blue stands for breathable oxygen. So that's a carbon dioxide molecule. Our 12 ATP and 12 NADPH are used to help energize this whole thing. So the first thing that happens is the carbon dioxide binds to the 6 ruby Ps that we have here. Now, from here, we have 6 carbon backbones. What happens next is that energy gets released because these get split in half.